Are you ready to repair more plastics, but have been holding off due to the relatively high price tag of the equipment? Wait no longer. The fully capable 6049-C Nitro Fuzer Lite from Polyvance is available for the budget-minded body shop. The Nitro Fuzer Lite has all the product functions and supplies to start making you more profit on plastic repairs right out of the box. With the Nitro Fuzer Lite, you'll be able to repair bumper covers, headlight tabs, overflow bottles, fender liners, underhood and interior plastics, all with great strength and cost effectiveness. The Nitro Fuzer Lite is low priced, but it's fully capable. It has variable temperature control, precision flow valves to adjust nitrogen flow, an analog flow meter for precise flow measurement, a low pressure safety cutoff to prevent damage to your heating element, plus an integral airless heating element to smooth welds and allow repairs to thermoset polyurethane plastics. Polyvance's welders include the widest selection of plastic welding rods that allow you to repair virtually any plastic on the vehicle. Unlike some competitive products, the Nitro Fuzer Lite features precision flow control. Flow control allows you to match the flow and temperature to the plastic type and thickness. The flow and temperature can be reduced to avoid distorting very thin areas, and likewise can be increased on thicker plastics to speed the welding process. Without flow control, you'll limit the types of repairs that you can do. The analog flow gauge gives you the visual reference for repeatable weld quality no matter how thick the plastic. Most importantly, the Nitro Fuzer Lite is from Polyvance, the originator of nitrogen plastic welding technology since 2006. The Nitro Fuzer Lite is designed and built in the USA by a company that's been devoted exclusively to plastic repair products since 1981. With Polyvance, plastic repair is not an afterthought or a sideline, it's all we do. And if you buy our products, you will have access to the industry-leading technical support, training, and know-how that Polyvance has to offer. In order to keep the price as low as possible, we simplified the control system, so there is a manual valve to select between air and nitrogen. To minimize shipping costs, you'll have to assemble the heavy-duty welding cart yourself. Free courtesy training for the welder is not available with the Nitro Fuzer Lite. However, Polyvance's paid training is available and is recommended in order for you to get the most out of your new nitrogen plastic welder. If you're interested in a welder that comes fully assembled with automatic air-nitrogen switching and free courtesy training, consider our industry-leading 6085-C and 6080-CG nitrogen welders. But if you are looking to get into plastic repair with a fully capable, budget-priced machine from the industry's leader, look no further than Polyvance. With a suggested retail price of $19.95, the Nitro Fuzer Lite is our most accessible nitrogen plastic welder. Ask your local paint jobber or equipment distributor for more information.